Hello children, how is your preparation going on for your upcoming boards exam? Do you believe that just 90 days can change your chemistry score from average to outstanding? Yes, it can if you plan it right. In this video, we are going to build your 90-day ICSE chemistry master plan. Day wise, topic wise and result oriented. No guesswork and no panic. Just a clear, smart path to 90 plus marks in ICSE 2026. So, are you ready? Chemistry is not about memorizing equations. It's about patterns, logic and application. So, we'll divide your preparation into 3 phases. Phase 1, foundation and concept clarity. Phase 2, practice and application. Phase 3, revision and exam simulation. Each phase has weekly goals, daily tasks and quick revision checkpoints. So, let's start with phase 1. Phase 1 is about foundation and concept clarity. The first 2 weeks will be about periodic properties and variation. Start with the periodic table. Understand why atomic size, ionization energy and electronegativity change across periods and groups. Every day, write one paragraph explaining a trend in your own words. When you explain, you retain. Chemical bonding. Study ionic, covalent and coordinate bonds. Draw Lewis structures, compare properties and understand how bonds affect compound behavior. Every day, solve at least 5 short questions on bonding and structure. Acids, bases and salts. Now, revise the pH scale, learn neutralization reactions and practice the preparation of salts. Keep a one-page formula and a reaction sheet. It will become your secret weapon before the board exam. Now we move to week 3 and 4. This part is your practical chemistry. Learn the tests for cations and anions. Note down color changes, precipitates and key observations very carefully. Remember, write what you see. Accurate observations can earn you full marks, guaranteed. Now we enter the numerical zone. Master Avogadro's law, molar mass and limiting reagent. Practice 10 numericals daily. Mix easy ones, moderate ones and challenging ones. Show all steps very neatly. And a clean answer sheet means higher marks. Next we move to phase 2, which is all about practice and application for days 31 to day 60. Moving further, we move into week 5 and 6, understanding Faraday's laws and their real life uses like silver plating or copper refining. Each day, solve one numerical and one theory question. When you connect theory with application, concepts become unforgettable. Metallurgy. For metallurgy, you need to study the extraction and refining of metals step by step. Understand roasting, calcination and reduction processes. Draw very neat flow diagrams. They make your answers stand out instantly. Next, we go into week 7 and 8, study of compounds. For studying compounds, you need to cover all the important compounds which are sodium hydroxide and sodium chloride. Focus on their preparation, on their properties and their uses. Write balanced equations every day and don't skip industrial methods. These are examiners' favorites for short answers. Next, we will be moving into phase 3, which is about organic chemistry and final preparation. Let's start with hydrocarbons and functional groups. For this, you need to understand isomerism, substitution and addition reactions. Draw every structure. Writing helps your brain visualize and remember. Practice IUPAC naming and functional group identification daily. You need to do a lot of revision and mock tests. Remember, this is your final lap. Focus on your weak areas. Solve previous year's papers. Take one full-length mock test every week. Simulate exam conditions, 2 hours, no breaks and no phone. It's very important. After every test, analyze your mistakes, correct them immediately and don't carry errors forward. So children, now we are done with our 3 phases. I am pretty sure that if you stick to these plans, no one can stop you from scoring 90 plus in your chemistry ICSE 2026. First 40 minutes, learn new concepts. Next 40 minutes, solve questions or numericals. And the final 40 minutes, revise and update notes. No shortcuts and no marathon study, just daily consistency. That's what builds toppers. Remember, toppers are not born, they are built one disciplined day at a time. If you follow this plan sincerely, you will walk into your chemistry exam in February 2026 calm, confident and fully prepared. So start today, 90 days, one subject, one mission, full marks in chemistry. Stay focused, keep learning and remember, excellence is not luck, it's a daily habit. This was your 90-day ICSE chemistry strategy. Like, share and subscribe for more study plans and board exam strategies. All the best. You have got this.